Hello there, today we are going to visit SUNMI headquarters together. Let's go!
SUNMI is an IoT company that leads the innovation of intelligent hardware for business. Situated in Shanghai, one of the world's foremost financial and trade hubs, SUNMI headquarters warmly welcomes customers and their partners from across the globe every day.
First, we will head to the ground floor's visit check-in area,
where we will effortlessly and swiftly check in using SUNMI's self-service device, the K2.
As a special treat, every SUNMI visit will be offered a cup of SUNMI coffee. 一杯冰美式
allowing you to savor its rich and aromatic flavor.
You can also explore our exclusive shop. First day. Now let's move to the 6th floor. You will see the SUNMI Home, the SUNMI Digital Solution Center.
Hi, Connie. Here, you will see 4 ranges of SUNMI IoT products and business services.
Amazing.
Developed in collaboration with partners from various industries, bringing digitalization to sectors such as restaurants, fresh markets, light meals, AIDC logistics, and healthcare. This transformation has significantly boosted operational efficiency and improved customer experience for industry clients. Additionally, you will have the chance to experience some of our core software offerings, such as SUNMI DMP and RKI. These software solutions can empower our customers to efficiently and securely manage their devices, apps, and contents. Don't miss the opportunity to explore SUNMI Max program, our developer-friendly and low-code platform, built to bring digital transformation to every business.
Within the SUNMI building, we maintain a state-of-the-art laboratory which each product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure top-notch quality. To wrap up our tour, let's explore the SUNMI culture and the play zone, where SUNMI employees can unwind, strike a healthy work-life balance, and enhance their overall well-being. Our unwavering commitment is to champion innovation and excellence, delivering cutting-edge business IoT solutions for global merchants.
For every partner out there, getting to know SUNMI isn't just about our SUNMI tool, it's also about making connection with the SUNMIers. Let's get up close and personal with the SUNMIers.
SUNMI's innovations are closely tied to the ingenuity of our product managers. Let's start with a chat with Chris.
Hi Chris, what motivates you to build innovative products?
I think innovation is in SUNMI's DNA, and we hope to bring more value to customers through the innovative products. Innovation products are more difficult to earn recognition than interactive products. So with the full of questions, breaking and rebuilding, innovative needs higher technology investment. At the same time, we observed a valuable suggestion from this question, combined with the customer requirements and the technology trends to constantly improve the products. We hope that the next version will be better than previous one.
And could you share with us some stories of you and the customers that are impressive?
I remember the Malay customer who placed the first order of the mixed series products. We chatted online for 2 hours. After talking, the customer told us SUNMI products are tailor-made for their business. We designed products the customer pinpoint in mind, and that moment make our work meaningful.
SUNMI focuses on business IoT products that come with good quality and appearance. But more than that, we also have software services. Let's talk to the software team.
We have great hardware products and we also have great software products to make hardware more powerful. And SUNMI has more than 40 product models and over 30 chip platforms to meet customers' needs in different industries. And each model has its own operating system. Our team spend a lot of time optimizing and testing them to ensure users can use the device smoothly.
You have faced a lot of challenges, I assume.
Yeah, I think marketing is changing and customers are changing, so we must work closely with our customers. I remember once a customer complained to us. He said when hardware or software has some problem, he had to send someone to provide door-to-door service. That cost too much. And we developed the remote control sections for him and allowing him remotely obtain device information and remotely control device in his office. That helped him reduce his operating cost by 19%. Because of that case, we realized device management platform is very useful to our customers. So we last year released the SUNMI DMP platform.
We have talked to a product manager and can feel their reliability and sincerity. The characteristics every member of SUNMI R&D team share. Now we are in SUNMI Lab.
Hi Tank, please tell me something about your work.
Of course, Connie, it's my pleasure. As we all know, altruism is at the center of SUNMI culture. It is important for us to bring more values to customers. For me, as a hardware test supervisor in SUNMI, who is working to guarantee the good quality of product, I need to pay close attention to two aspects. Firstly, high sensitivity of quality mindset. We think from the perspective of customer to create a test case based on the actual business needs and design specification. Secondly, strict standard and regulation. We must follow IPD process and submit relative documents such as test strategy, test case, test plan, bug list, and so on. Generally, a hardware product will go through 3 to 4 rounds of hardware testing. Each round takes nearly 1 month, involving over 50 test blocks and more than 2,000 test cases. All project members, including product manager, are aligned that the product can only be launched to market after the whole testing stage has been completed and all the issues we found have been resolved.
The procurement and delivery colleagues are also at the forefront of serving customers. Let's have a chat.
Hi Yayun, could you share with us a rewarding moment at work?
I believe the particularly rewarding moment was definitely when we successfully completed the delivery to our customer. The most impressive one was in 2021 when we first delivered the product to our client in Brazil. It was our largest payment client at that time and involved a completely new business scenario. We internally formed a high-level special team, and all of our side pledged to commit ourselves to it. For over at least 6 months, all of our internal resources were dedicated to this project. I spent at least 3 hours every day addressing bottlenecks and resolving issues with suppliers until finally deliver the project in large quantities according to the customer's requirement. This was our milestone reward.
I believe most customers would say they are most familiar with our sales team. Now, let's get close to our overseas sales.
Right now, I'm managing Pakistan, Israel. These are some very different and very tough markets. But I think for now, SUNMI is having a good footsteps over there, and we've been doing great.
How is the business going in Middle East and Africa?
Well, it's challenging, but I remember there's a story that I think earlier this year I visited one of my software clients, and he took me to the fields and visited one of his merchants. So we went to the store. I was pretty surprised that they're still using like paper and pen, do the bookkeeping and ledger keeping and everything. So I said, why don't we just give you one sample device? We borrow you one sample device, and with our partner software, and you can have a free trial, experience this kind of a digital thing. He said, okay, why not? So 6 months later, when I go back to the same place again, same store, and the guy came to me and said, Michael, you make my life so easy. I mean, right now they're activating like food delivery services, and they're having top-up services, and they're accepting cash, card, and wallet. So at that moment, I really feel that SUNMI and our partners were really doing some amazing works for the merchants, for the retail businesses, and I'm just so proud of that.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
When Elliot joined SUNMI US 2 years ago, not many customers knew SUNMI. Now we have positioned ourselves as one of the key players in the industry. Let's have a chat with Elliot. Elliot, would you like to share with us some stories of your team and our customers?
Of course, I have a lot of stories to share. One of the stories is about one of the top merchant acquirers, in the US market, and we have been working months to showing them our capability to, deliver the best solutions to them. And before they made the final decision, they invited us to their headquarters office. I still remember that day vividly when we walked into the office meeting room, and there are a bunch of people sitting there, about 20 people, ranging from the VP of the product to the software engineers. We spent about 3 hours to answer all their questions and addressed all their concerns. They were happy with us. Before the end of the meeting, one of them asked us whether we would like to modify one of the features which is not in the original requirement. I said yes, we would like to try. Just within 24 hours, we delivered a new firmware and pushed it to their devices. Another story is about a small ISV in the US market. And they're small, not so big. And they have had almost every day they have the meetings with us. I do remember one day their CTO asked me, do you feel boring or feel uninterested because we are so small? And this is what I told him. In SUNMI, we never judge a customer by its size. We always believe any customers can be the future unicorn. And for SUNMI, we always consider us as the startup company. And we always believe to maximize our customer success will bring our success. And this is our belief.
I am on the same floor as the customer service crew, and oftentimes I could see they were still working when I went off work. Come on, let's go check it out.
Hi Siva, do you have something you want to share with us?
Yes, as you know, like a customer support team, we have to work like 24/7 without the weekends, from early morning till the late evening, to support our customers globally. And of course we have a lot of challenges. As a part of operation team, I'm in charge of Europe, Middle East and Africa, and I'm helping for spare parts supply, also repair operations, opening new repair partners. So it's quite tough, but we have to work, and it sounds good. So the main point is, because we are client-oriented company, so we try to serve our best and to get some complaints in a positive way. So we try to close all the tasks and do not customer be disappointed of our product. And in the end, everyone should be satisfied, and we are happy to supporting the client in this way. Also, we have huge plans to launch new repair businesses, new repair services in Africa, Middle East, Saudi Arabia, also UK these days. So a lot of work, and meanwhile my colleagues doing the same in other regions. We are growing, and in 2024 we have a lot of new updates from our team, so it will be a lot of changes for our customers and distributors.
The brand and marketing team is the liveliest at SUNMI. and they are at Xiaomi home right now. Let's drop in and catch up on their latest buzz. Hi, Dudu. What are you guys talking about?
We are hashing out our latest brand event and exploring how to share more customer stories with our partners.
Got you. Definitely, we got a lot of interesting events. Hi, Qingba. What would you say when running Xiaomi brand? Is there any challenges?
Okay, so how to maintain effective and creative work and how to balance the ideas execution is the challenge. And to be the B2B brand, a lot of people will say what we should do is just provide the technology stories and the technology spec or even provide a cost-effective product. But for us, we think it's not easy and it's not just for selling product and service. It should be deliver some kind of sort of the spirit and some kind of the belief. And for Xiaomi, and we trust and believe by the business IoT can deliver and can make the business world more efficient. So when we feeling that kind of feeling, then we can get a lot of inspiration and creative to solve any problems. Yeah.
Thanks for sharing.
So how to balance the ideas and the execution? The best way is always to keep close to our customer, stay in the moment and listen to their voice and advice and try to understand our customer both on emotional and rational level.
After talking with Xiaomiers from different departments, now it's time to have a word with our Captain Jack. Let's go. Hi, Captain. Could you share with us how do you feel about this journey? Why people choose Xiaomi?
I believe in Xiaomi because we are not only manufacturing products, we are generating value for users. Whenever we see SUNMI Solutions products can help thousands of merchants. When digitalization is truly achieved, whenever we hear users expressing praise for our products, we feel a great sense of pride. We know this is our mission, the essence of existence. This is our drive to progress. In the future, Xiaomi will uphold the spirit of benefiting others. With more partners, create a better future.
Thanks for sharing, Captain. Hope this helped you better understand Xiaomi. We, Xiaomiers, are always on the move. Looking forward to more connections with you. Bye.